Blender Remove Duplicate Vertices. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Blender on your desktop and wait for the application to load completely. Once it is open, press Ctrl and O to open your project file. Before opening it, locate the file by following the file trajectory shown in the file browser. If navigating through folders is inconvenient, you can instead use the search bar. Click on the search bar and type your file name into it. After entering the name, wait for the matching result to appear, then select your file from the list. Next, move to the Open button and press it to load the chosen file into Blender. After the project opens, make sure you already have a mesh that contains duplicated vertices, because this process is intended for cleaning them up. Press numpad 7 to switch to the top view, so the vertices are easier to inspect. Then press Tab to enter edit mode and gain access to the mesh components. Carefully select the vertex or vertices that need attention. If you want to choose multiple vertices at the same time, use a selection method that lets you block or highlight several vertices together. Take a moment to confirm that all the correct vertices are selected and that no important geometry is included by mistake. Once you are satisfied with the selection, press X to bring up the Delete menu. Blender will display several deletion options that affect different mesh elements. From this menu, choose the Vertices option, so only the selected vertices are removed from the mesh. This step deletes the duplicated vertices and helps clean the model structure. After the deletion, check the area where the vertices were located to make sure the result looks correct. Rotate the view slightly if needed and verify that no unwanted gaps or distortions have appeared. If everything looks good, you can continue editing the model using your normal workflow.